Welcome back to another episode. On the menu today is Korean fried chicken, lightly coated and double fried. We're also going to toss half in a sweet, spicy and tangy sauce, which is absolutely delicious. Let's begin. Start by marinating 1 kg of Nibbles, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Mix it very well and marinate for at least 1 hour. We're aiming for a very light and thin coating, so we're going to use rice flour. You can use potato starch or cornstarch, roughly 1.5 cups. Place your marinated chicken into the flour and coat well. Squeeze and press the flour on, shake off the excess and place onto a tray. Repeat with all the chicken. I find that doing them individually works best and doesn't cause the flour to go lumpy. Half fill a medium-sized pot with oil and heat to 175 degrees C. If you don't have a thermometer, use the end of a chopstick or a wooden spoon, and when you see bubbles, we're ready to go. Normally I tell you guys not to overcrowd the pot, but because we're double frying today, the aim for the first fry is to cook the chicken without adding too much colour. Adding in more pieces will help lower the temperature of the oil. I'm doing 8 pieces at a time for around 10 to 12 minutes. Do a first fry on all your chicken before you do the second. Once you've done the first fry on all your pieces of chicken, allow the oil to heat up for 2 minutes, then place your chicken back into the hot oil for 1 to 2 minutes or until golden crispy. Remove and place on a wire rack to drain. Onto the sauce. Now I'm only going to coat half of my chicken. If you want to coat all of yours, just double the recipe. Starting in the pan here, I've got 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of diced garlic, 1 teaspoon of diced ginger, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 3 tablespoons of honey, and finishing off with 2 teaspoons of mirin or white vinegar. Stir well to combine. If you find that the sauce is reducing a little too fast, just add a little bit more water. I've added everything straight into the pan, but it's actually a lot easier mixing all the ingredients into a bowl, then heating it in the pan. Once your sauce is nice and thick, turn the heat right down, toss half your chicken in and coat well with the beautiful sticky sauce. Plate it all up. Finish the ones that you've coated in the sauce with some sliced spring onions and some sesame seeds. Serve with some cubed pickled radish and enjoy. These are so good to eat. Without the sauce, it's super crunchy and has plenty of flavour from the marinade. The sauce takes it to the next level though by adding some sweet, tangy and a little spice. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. If you enjoyed this content, please support this channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thanks again for watching.